What up? So we are doing a welding helmet, which is kind of cool, a little different. And it's for Shawn at PFI. He has like 7 welding helmets, and he wants this one done in something. I don't even know what we're doing yet. It's going to be green and black. That's all I know. So yeah, we're gonna get. Do you guys watch on Hoonigan's channel? What is it? Danger Dan and Garage. He's got. I don't know how this is gonna go. He's got that intro where he goes, Garage. I want something like that, but I don't know what to do. Singing Garage Idiots would be really stupid. Wouldn't sound good. I'll leave that up to you. I'm gonna start sanding stuff. Okay, so if you guys watched the last video, I screwed this thing up pretty good. But I got most, if not all, there's a couple little tiny ones, but this was covered in dust or little dust marks and imperfections, and I got it laid pretty well. So he's coming to get that, and that piece, and that piece, and that piece, and those. In other news, all of this stuff is also done. So these are actually for Crazy Cart. One of my buddies that does vinyl wrapping dropped those off. PFI's or Shawn's helmet came out sweet. I like it. So if you noticed, so these are pretty hard. You could see how the graphic had to stretch, and there are a couple little pinholes that I couldn't touch up because that gray is not like a gray, it's like a kind of faded. So I didn't try to mess with those little dots, but you did see me tape everything off because when the black stretches, you can really tell. So I taped those off, I hand painted some of them, just got those nice and dark so they weren't as much of an eyesore as they were the first time. The front came out really good because that's where I started. Really turned out good, just you could see where it had to stretch a little bit, and I did what I could to make it look better. Some timing covers, GSR valve cover. I mentioned this in the last video too. This is a exhaust cover. He's only gonna put it on for shows. I don't really understand that, but it looks cool. So that's all done. Yeah, that turned out pretty good. I like it. So it's been sitting for about 30 minutes. So by tomorrow, it should be pretty safe to handle. Those came out like glass to my, there's one little dust speck. Two, there's the second one. Other than that, came out really good, actually. Me laid. Look, you can kind of see me. Hello. Yeah, so everything turned out pretty sweet. So I'll be taking that up to them soonly. I'm trading him labor on that for, he's gonna bend a couple bars for me for the bug. So all of that is now done. So now I will be getting into the bug. So this is what I picked up the other night. It was $100 for that pre-bent and all those random pipes. So this is actually for Civic, but the measurements are pretty dang close. I only need to widen it maybe like 3 inches, I think is all. So I'm just gonna ratchet strap it and see what I can do safely. So I'm gonna have Shawn, I need to take some pretty serious measurements, but I'm gonna have Shawn bend me the A-pillar bars, and I'm gonna send that all the way back to the main hoop. And once I have those, then we can really start going crazy on kind of finishing up the structure of this thing. That is it for that video. That was pretty short, pretty quick. Hopefully it wasn't too painful to watch. I'm running out of things to say at the end of these videos. I have said this before, that's what I do for a living, so if you guys want to ship me parts or whatever, all the links to our social media and stuff are in the description below. I don't know, that was a pretty straightforward video. Kind of made up for screwing up that engine cover. If you didn't watch that, go watch it. I butchered that thing. But yeah, so that's all for now. Now I have a couple days to just go crazy on the bugs, so hopefully make some significant progress. I'm sorry that the videos on that are like a week spaced out, because I'll get all my work done and then I'll go to town on that for like a day, and all the stupid little welding stuff now takes way longer than expected. So in a 2-day span, I get like 13 minutes of time lapse is all. And so it's been hard to balance the two, and then working at the other place and just going everywhere. So I apologize for kind of the inconsistency, but I'm trying. So hopefully I can get Shawn to bend those bars, and then once that's done, I should have kind of everything I need here to finish up the rest of it. The problem is I need to get the cage kind of on there before we do anything else, so I'm kind of in limbo on that. But hopefully in the next couple days I can have Shawn bend me some of those. So I'm trading him labor is all, so he's gonna spend 20 minutes bending those for me, and then I'm paying materials, so there's nothing else going on there. But all right, that's it for that video. Thanks for listening. Go blah blah blah, and let me know what you think, and until next time, we'll see you guys later.